The back and forth between the National Assembly and the judiciary on the deletion of Section 84 subsection 12 has taken a new turn. This is coming barely a week after Justice Evelyn Ayadike of the Federal High Court, Umuahia, Abia State, ordered the Attorney General of the Federation to delete the section from the Electoral Act. And with that judgment in mind, lawmakers in the Senate and the House of Representatives have resolved to appeal the judgment. Has stated.
A federal high court in Umuahia, Abia State, ordered the Attorney General of the Federation to immediately delete Section 84 subsection 12 of the amended Electoral Act. The section reads, "No political appointee at any level shall be voting as a delegate or be voted for at the convention or congress of any political party for the purpose of the nomination of candidates for any election." Members of the House are enraged by the controversial judgment as Katsina State Legislator Sada Soli brings it up under matters of privilege. He says the judgment breached his right as a lawmaker.
A court, a judge, somewhere, Mr. Speaker, is given that right to an executive appointee encroaching into the principles of separation of powers.
Others who spoke on the motion cautioned against dragging the National Assembly in the mud by usurping its functions.
In the Constitution, where there is separation of powers and where we have been made by the provision of the Constitution for us to make laws, that somebody is trying to do our job.
The court should have made an order for the National Assembly to be joined before taking any action.
Members of this institution must rise against this aberration. We are not only lawmakers, we must be custodians of laws, and laws must have to be obeyed in this country.
I cannot sit here and allow the institution which I at this present time head and lead to be ridiculed under my watch.
Arising from debate on the matter, the House resolved to appeal the controversial judgment. It also called on Abubakar Malami to stay action on the execution of the judgment while it agreed to petition the National Judicial Council on the matter. President Muhammadu Buhari signed the Electoral Act Amendment Bill into law in February on the condition that the National Assembly will expunge Section 84 subsection 12. But barely 1 week after, a federal high court sitting in Abuja barred the President, the Attorney General of the Federation, and the National Assembly from tampering with the law. TVC News, Abuja.